Today I'm going to test this Milwaukee 12V impact wrench on my RAV4 wheel lug nuts. The main reason I bought this kit is to keep it in my car for emergencies. If I ever get a flat tire or need to change a wheel on the road, I want something quick and easy to use. I used to have a bigger impact wrench before, but it was bulky and took up too much space. I bought this smaller Milwaukee 12V version because it's more compact, lighter, and perfect for small jobs around the house and keeping inside the car. Since it uses a 12V battery, the tool is very lightweight and easy to store. Now let's do a real-world test and see if it can actually remove the lug nuts from my RAV4. When I started testing the first wheel, I had the tool set to speed 2, but it wasn't strong enough to loosen the lug nuts. Just so you know, this is the Milwaukee M12 fuel model with 250 N of torque. After trying for a while, I switched it to speed 3, which gives more power and higher RPM. This time, the impact wrench removed the lug nuts successfully. To make sure it wasn't just luck, I tested it again on the front wheel and everything worked perfectly. One important thing I want to mention is that this tool has multiple power settings. So if you're removing tight lug nuts, make sure to set it to the highest power mode, which is speed 3. Overall, I'm really happy with this tool. It's compact, lightweight, and strong enough for exactly what I need. I'll definitely be keeping it in my car.